got the DM, I was like, what? Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Arielle, and in today's video I have another type of like mini review slash, I guess it's not really a haul, it's just a couple of pieces. These are actually pieces that were sent to me by a company called 437. If you don't know, they're a swimsuit company. Well, now they sell like other type of clothing. Like they started off as a swimsuit brand and then they've kind of branched out into like other things, and they're actually Canadian based, so they're actually from Toronto, which is really cool. And they actually reached out to me, which is honestly insane. Like I was kind of like, I didn't believe it when I got the DM. I was like, what? So yeah, they actually reached out to me, which was really cool. I thought I would show you guys in today's video what they sent me. This is not sponsored in any way. I'm not getting paid. I'm honestly just giving you guys my honest review. So yeah, let's just get right into this video. I'm going to show you guys a couple of the pieces I got. So yeah, everything came in like a really nice like box and stuff. So actually I already opened it, so I don't have like all the nice packaging and everything, but it did come in this box right here, and it just says 437 on there. I don't know if you guys can see that, it's quite faint. In this box there was a swimsuit and a top in here, and then I also received 2 other pieces. So we're gonna start with the box first, and I'm gonna show you guys what I got in here. And you guys, this is so cute. Like I'm honestly still like shocked that I was actually sent these pieces. Like I don't even know what to tell you guys. First thing in the box, it comes with this little card with the owners on there. These are the 2 founders, and it just has some information about the apparel and how to take care of it. Yeah, so it has all that information right there. So it came in these little bags, so it just says 437 on it. And so this is the top, and I actually I've already tried all these pieces on, and I'm honestly like I love them all. And I actually posted an Instagram picture of me in this top, so I'll put a little picture right here. And it's so cute, you guys. It's almost like a linen type of material. It just looks like this. I know we're like coming onto September, like onto fall, but I mean, hey, if you're going somewhere or if you just want to wear it because you can, then yeah. And it just completely open in the back. It's so cute, you guys. And the straps are also adjustable, so you can definitely adjust it. So they sent me this in a size small for the top, and I will say it fits pretty good. I mean, I feel like if I got a medium it would have been too big like for my boobs, but the small fits me just right. And all you have to do is just adjust the straps to make it fit the way you want it to. So the other item I got in this box was a swimsuit. So they were kind enough to send me their swimsuit, and this is what they're known for. So I've actually never bought a swimsuit from their company, but I've always been interested in it. So they sent me this black swimsuit, and it's just like a tube top, and then it says 437 on the back right there. I don't know if you guys can see that. And it's really soft material. Like I can't say that I know a lot about swimsuits, but I'm pretty good with materials and kind of seeing if they're good quality or not, and this is really good quality. And I believe this is also in a size small for the top, and it fits me pretty good. Definitely I feel like tube tops you have to be careful and like you're afraid that you're gonna fall out, but this literally like hugs your body and it just doesn't move. So you'll definitely be fine if you want to get this one. And then they also sent me a pair of bottoms. They just look like this. They're actually pretty high coverage, I find, and they're really cute. Super simple. It says 437 on the back as well in cursive. And I just really like the way they have their 437 on their swimsuits. I think that's really cool. I feel like not any other brand really has like the name of their swimsuits directly on the actual swimsuits, so that's really cool. Okay, now getting into my favorite pieces that I actually received from them. Like honestly, you guys, I saw this and I was like, oh my god. So I actually received this top from them. This top right here. It's just this white, almost, I want to say linen. I think it's linen. Hold on. No, so this is actually rayon and polyester, my bad. So yeah, it's just this really nice flowy white top, and I just love this. I feel like, yes, it's definitely more of a summer type of feel to it, but you can definitely transition this into the fall. Wear it with some jeans and some leather leggings or something like that. So it's definitely a versatile piece, and I really, really like it. And then they also sent me the pants. So these are the matching pants to the top I just showed you guys, and these are so nice. Although they're white, they're not see-through whatsoever, so that's really, really great. I feel like with white pants you have that risk of it being see-through, so yeah, I really, really like these. These are super, super nice. If I ever go on vacation in the future, I'm definitely bringing these with me. They sent me these in a size medium, which honestly fits me not bad. Personally, I like things slightly looser on me when it comes to bottoms, so I probably would have sized up to a large, but the medium's just fine. They look really, really good, and yeah, I just love these. And I forgot to mention, so this top, they sent me it in a small, and it's quite oversized, so yeah, I think a small is just the perfect size for me. Alright, you guys, so this is just a quick little video. I just want to show you guys a couple of items I got from 437. This is not sponsored, like I said, this is all my own opinion, and honestly, the stuff is really, really cute, super good quality, and I just can't believe like a brand sent me stuff. Like, that's just mind-boggling to me. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys that stuff. I'm going to link their website down below so you guys can check out their new items that they've just dropped recently. I think it was just like the other day or something they're dropping a new collection, so definitely go check out their website for that stuff, and I'll also put their Instagram down below. And yeah, I just want to say thank you so much 437 for these items. I really appreciate it. Alright, so let me know down below if you've shopped at 437 before, or if you have a favorite item in this video that you liked. Definitely leave that in the comment section down below. Also, if you want to see more from me, definitely follow me on my Instagram. I always have it linked down below for you guys, so follow me on there. I always post content, or try to post content, so follow me on that platform. If you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe and turn on your post notification bell so you know every time I post a new video. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!